Jamie from Shanti, and I'm here for you with a quick tip on working with our Master Rose Essence. Rose is one of our highest frequency essences. This essence we recommend spraying especially over like throat and upper areas, forehead, base of the skull, crown. And the reason why is because it is synergized to work with the energies of your upper chakras and to help cut through negative vibration or lower frequencies. So if you need a quick pick-me-up and you need to kind of cut through or see more clearly, it's really good for truth discernment, right? So it can be helpful for working with underlying stress and trauma or blockages that would be stored lower down, by helping you lift into a lighter space, a higher frequency vibrational energy. It's also very good for working through issues of betrayal or mistrust, commitment issues. It is a long-held symbol of love in our society, right? But it's also got the thorns on it, so it's got a protective energy. So it's a good essence to work with for cultivating awareness and, being more trusting, opening the heart to trust. But also, the upper chakras is where you discern truth and come to see more clearly. So it helps to guard you or shield you while also opening your energy to higher vibrational fields. That is our Master Rose Essence. Thank you very much.